Hello student, today we discuss of the chapter matrices and some contents. First contents is a invertible matrix. What is the invertible matrix? A matrix is said to be invertible of its inverse is exist. A square matrix, therefore which determinant not equal to 0 is called invertible matrix. A square matrix which determinant not equal to 0 is also called a non-singular matrix. Singular matrix, this is a not invertible matrix. A matrix is said to be invertible of its inverse is exist. Therefore, these matrices are square matrix. If square matrix which determinant not equal to 0 is called invertible matrix. For example, find which of the following matrices are invertible. If matrix A is a given 2 1 4 2, a matrix A is a given 2 1 4 2. Therefore, we see the first example. Given matrix A is 2 1 4 2. Therefore, we take the determinant A equal to, this is the value of matrix A. Matrix A is 2 1 4 2. Determinant A equal to the determinant of 2 1 4 2. Determinant A equal to determinant of 2 1 4 2. What is the determinant? The arrangement of two vertical arrays is called determinant. Determinant A equal to 2 1 4 2. Therefore, we multiply firstly 2 into 2. We multiply 4 into 1. This direction is a minus 4 into 1. 2 into 2 4. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4. 4 minus 4 0. Therefore, determinant A equal to 0. Therefore, A is a singular matrix. 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 This is a inverse is a not exist. A is a singular matrix. Therefore, A is a not invertible. A is not invertible. A is not invertible. Determinant A equal to 0 and inverse does not exist. Means A is a singular matrix. A is not invertible. Therefore, we see the second example. Matrix B given matrix B equal to, given matrix B is a cos theta, sin theta. This is the first row. Cos theta, sin theta. This is the first row, and second row is a minus sin theta, cos theta. This is the second row. Given matrix B is a cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. Therefore, taking determinant of both sides, determinant B equal to determinant of cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. This is the square matrix. This order is a 2 by 2. This is the first row, cos theta, sin theta, and second is a minus sin theta, cos theta. Therefore, we multiply determinant B equal to cos theta into cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta. This direction is a minus. And minus sin theta into sin theta. We multiply firstly this order. cos theta into cos theta. This direction is a minus, and this minus sin theta into sin theta. Therefore, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, minus minus plus, minus sin theta into minus sin theta, and this minus is a plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, this value is a 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Therefore, determinant B equal to 1 means determinant B not equal to 0. Determinant B not equal to 0. Therefore, matrix B is a non-singular. Therefore, matrix B is a non-singular. Matrix B is a non-singular matrix. Matrix B is a non-singular matrix. Therefore, B is a invertible. B is a invertible. Therefore, B is a invertible. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Determinant B equal to 1 means determinant B not equal to 0. Therefore, inverse is a exist. B is a non-singular matrix means B is a invertible. Okay. We discuss the next condition. Minor. What is the minor? We studied in 11th class. Minor and cofactor. Therefore, what is the minor of? For example, if A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 2 by 2 order. This is a square matrix. Find the minor. What is the minor? Therefore, firstly, given matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Firstly, given matrix A is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, minor means there are 4 minors. This is the first row, this is the second row. M11, this is the first minor. M11, living of first row and first column. This is the first row and this is the first column. Are deleting. Means living of first row, first column. This is the first minor. M11 means first row, first column. This is the first is a row and second first is a column. M11 means living of first row, first column. This minor is a 4. Therefore, second minor is a M12. M12 means row first, column second. M12 living of first row and second column. This element is a minor. M12 is a 3. Okay. And second row's minor is M21. This is a 2 means second row firstly and column. 1 means first column. M21. This is the second row and column first. What is the minor of M21? Living of second row, first column. M21 is a 2. Okay. And last minor is M22. Last minor is a M22. Means living of second row, second column. Second row, second column. This minor is a 1. M22 is a 1. Okay. What is the cofactor? What is the cofactors? Cofactors studied in 11th class. If matrix A is a 1, 2, 3, 4, find cofactors. What is the cofactors of this matrix? The matrix A is a given 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the square matrix. This order is a 2 by 2. Therefore, given matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. This order is a 2 by 2, 2 columns and 2 rows. This order is a 2 by 2. Therefore, we use we use the cofactors means a11, small a11 means aij. We use the formula aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. I means row and j means column. Therefore, we use the formula aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. I means this is a row and this is a row and this is a row. J means column. Ith row and jth column. aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. Okay. Therefore, first cofactor a11 equal to, this is a I means row, j means column, first row, first column. We take minus 1 raised to I plus j, I means 1, row is the first, column is the first, I plus j means 1 plus 1 into m11 minus 1 raised to, the value of I is a 1, I means first row, j means column, this is a 1. First row, first column equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j. The value of I is a 1, j is a 1 into mij. The value of I is a 1 and j is a 1. Okay. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is a 2, minus 1 square into m11 m11 means minor of first. m11 means leaving of first row, first column. The value of m11 minor first is a 4, minus 1 square into m11. The value of m11 means leaving of first row, first column. This is the first row, first column. Leaving of first row, first column, this minor is a 4. Minus 1 square is a plus 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is a 4. This is the first cofactor, is a a11 is a 4. Okay. Next is a12, first row, second column. The value of I is a 1. The value of j is a 2. We use this formula minus 1 raised to, the value of I is a 1, j is a 2 into mij means m12. a12 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into m12. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is a 3 into m12 means leaving of first row, second column. This minor is a 3. Minus 1 cube into 3. Minus 1 cube is a plus 1. Sorry, minus 1 cube is a minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 3 times of minus 1 is a minus 1 into 3. Means this cofactor is a minus 3. Cofactor is a minus 3. And next is a21. Row is a change. Second row, first column. The value of I is a 2. The value of j is a 1. We write minus 1 raised to I plus j means the value of I is a 2. The value of j is a 1. 2 plus 1 into mij m21. Okay. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, this addition is a 3. Minus 1 raised to 3 into the value of m21. m21 means second row, first column. Leaving off second row, first column. This minor is a 2. Is minus 1 cube. Minus 1 cube into 2. Minus 1 cube is a minus 1 into 2 is a 2. This cofactor is a minus 2. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. And next cofactor is a22. Means second row, second column. We use the formula minus 1 raised to, the value of I is a 2. The value of j is a 2. 2 plus 2 into mij means m22. Okay. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 is a 4. Minus 1 raised to 4 into the value of M22. M22 means the minor of leaving of second row, second column. Second row, this is the 3, 4, second row, and second column is a 2, 1. Leaving of second row, second column, this minor is a 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 into M22 is a 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 into 1. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 4 is a plus 1 into 1. This is a cofactor is a 1. Therefore, cofactors of A. Cofactors of matrix A is A11, A12, A21, A22. Cofactors of matrix A is a small a11, a12, a21, a22 is 4, a11 is a 4, a12 is a minus 3, a21 is a minus 2, and a22 is a 4. This is a cofactor. Also we studied in 11th class. Okay.